Hey guys, welcome to a new video. Today we are going to be working on a warn and warning command. So warn is a command to literally warn somebody about what they're doing. Like say they're saying some bad things in the chat, they're abusing their rules or something. As a moderator or admin, you can warn them, and if they make too many warns, they can get banned or something. So let's get into it. So at the very top, we're going to need to make a variable or an array so we can store all the warnings. So self.warnings equals and then curly brackets. So that's our array. And then we go down here and then we do add commands dot hybrid command name equals, and then it's gonna be warn, and then description equals, and then warn a user. Now we're gonna check if they have permission. So we're gonna do add commands dot has underscore permissions, manage underscore messages equals true. Then we make the variable asynchronized def warn, async def warn, brackets. Then we're gonna pass in self ctx, and then we're gonna make a member. So member parenthesis discord.member. We're gonna add a comma, asterisk or star, and then we're gonna make comma, reason is equal to string or equals, like if you don't make a reason, it's gonna be that. There's another way to make it automatically do that. Like if you don't pass in a reason, it'll be no reason provided. I'm pretty sure I did that. Yeah, right here. So I did reason equals none. The reason message equals f string for reason if reason else. So I'm pretty sure I could have typed the reason there. Self dot warnings, and then we're gonna say self dot warnings on the square brackets member dot id equals that. So now if they're not in there, we're gonna add them. So they're gonna be self dot warnings, the member id, and then their warnings that they've done. So now we're going to do self. We're gonna add them to the thing. Oh, okay. Self.warnings. Oh, my fault. So what we're doing here is adding the warning, like the reason why they got warned to here. So we're gonna do at member.id dot append reason. Oh, and then we're going to send a message to make sure this is right. So wait ctx dot send f string parentheses member dot mention has been warned. Reason is going to be in these backticks, and then it will be reason. There we go. Make sure when you hit tab, like it has to be 4 spaces, so it's under the function. For some reason, I must have messed that up. My apologies. So, reason. Later, we're gonna update all these moderation commands before we work on a new cog, as these are really simple, like bare minimum. We can also add like an embed. We can add like a log channel to make them log it. But for now, do the bare minimum. So, now we're gonna make the warnings command to check for their warning. So add commands dot hybrid command. Name equals warnings. Description. And if you need help with anything, you can join the Discord server or write a comment down below if you need it. Description equals, and then quotations. Let's just say check or view warnings for a user. Now we're gonna do async def warnings, or you could do view underscore warnings if you wanted. Self ctx, and then Discord or member is equal to discord.member. Here, and then we add our colon. That if member dot id if member.id is in self dot warnings and self dot warnings warnings if member id in self dot warnings and self dot warnings member id and then colon, and under that we're gonna do warning underscore list equals. So our array doesn't have it organized because it's not like gonna be in parentheses, or not parentheses, quotations, the comma with that inside it. We're gonna have to like split it after each line. So warning list equals /n, so you have to use this /n. What this does, it creates a new line since Discord's HTML. So dot join, and if I'm gonna leave source code in like the Discord server or description if I remember to, just in parentheses or bracket self dot warnings, and then square brackets member dot id, yeah, right here. Then we're gonna wait ctx dot send f string, and then warnings for, then curly brackets member dot mention. We're gonna add a thing, and then we're gonna make a new line with the /n. Like I said, Discord's basically just HTML, so if we do that, we can make new lines. And then we're gonna add warning list. So what this is doing is we're making a warnings list with all the warnings that we got that are being stored up here for each person, and then it's compiling it, and then it's gonna make new lines for each one. And then in here, we're gonna send it. We're gonna ping the person when we're checking it, and then we're gonna make a new line, the warnings list. And then the warnings list is already making it new lines, each bit, new lines already. Now we're gonna close it off with else await ctx dot send string member dot mention has no warnings. One thing I recommend is, or one thing I will probably be doing is making this more advanced and better, because like, say someone who left the server joins back and they have like a bunch of warnings, like, I don't think you can change it. Maybe if you leave the server, I don't know yet. Hopefully not. Okay, so that's everything. Now we can run the bot. So if we run main.py right here, it'll run the bot. Oh, we've got an error, I think. Yeah. Manage message? I don't think that's what the issue is. Manage message equals true. Maybe I made a typo. It is manage messages. Okay, now we can run the bot again. It says it's synced to 9 commands, so that's correct. Now we're going to do /warn my alt account, reason, sure, and then it's been warned. Now if we check /warnings member, my alt account, it's gonna say all those warnings for him. If we do !warn at Ko-fi, my alt account, and then if we do a space, he's been warned for I don't know. And then if I check warnings, it shows all the warnings. So warnings for at Ko-fi, sure, which was when I did the / command, and then I don't know or IDK is the other one. So hope you guys had a great day. Oh, what the stutter? Hope you guys had I hope this video helped you today. Hope you guys also have a great day. I'll provide all the source code in the Discord server. Right here. This is the Discord server. Oh. Okay, I'll just put the source code on a text document and then put up on the server or something. Or I'll just paste the whole thing on YouTube description. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Have a great day. Please like and subscribe. Please, I'll give you suggestions, because like, I feel like whenever I upload, I don't know what to upload, and then I end up losing subscribers for it, and I just don't know what to do. So please, if you have any requests or anything, give me an idea. Maybe I can make websites again or something. I don't know. Well, see you guys later.